Good morning, everyone. Well, it's breakfast time in Greg's kitchen, and this morning I thought I'd make this beautiful, delicious looking breakfast using one machine and one machine only. Yeah, except for the egg, where I'm going to be using another machine. But I'm going to be cooking this whole breakfast in the air fryer. It's actually really easy to do. Let's do it. So this is what I'll be using today. I got some sausages. British pork! I've got some British style back bacon. Have you seen this stuff? It's raw! It's kind of like English weather. It's all wet and soggy. Tomato, hash brown. That will become toast. And of course I got the egg. And what would breakfast be without using some butter? Oh, I love this stuff! Anyway, I'm fanging. Let's start doing it. Okay, well, for starters, let's open this up. And we're putting the things that take the longest to cook, like the hash brown. That takes 20 minutes. And I've also got a tomato here, which I'll cut in half. I like to cook these a little longer as well. So I'll throw that in. I'll add a bit of salt on top. Got to add salt to tomatoes, right? Stick it in. That's what she said. And we'll start this on 180. And we'll start it at 20 minutes. And we'll just let that cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, well, the screen's showing 15 minutes, so 5 have gone. So let's whip this out, and it's time to add the sausage. God, I love those things. Should I prick them? Why not? In you go. And we'll give that another 5 minutes, or maybe 6. Alright, with 10 minutes to go, it's time to add some more ingredients. Take that out. I'll turn the sausages. I'll turn this over too. The hash brown, that's called. And I'll add in some bacon. Yeah. How many slices? Well, it's up to you really. Might as well add 3 in. If I can find some space. There's always enough space for some more bacon. So we'll just stick that back in. That's what she said. And come back when there's about 5 minutes to go. Alright, well, there's 5 minutes to go. So it's time to pull out the drawer again. Look at how everything's cooking nicely. Let's just check this bacon, maybe flip it around. Get those bits that were like on top of each other, off each other. And now it's time to add the bread in, because we've got to make the toast. I'll just stick that down the side. And that just goes back in for the remainder until it's finished. And while that's finishing off, we need to cook the egg. So let's do that. Right. So let's grab a bowl. I've got some spray here. I'll just put a bit of spray in the bottom. Crack the egg. Poke it all a few times with a knife. And now this just goes into the microwave, covered, for 40 seconds. Alright, well, the timer's gone off, it's finished. Let's take a look. Oh, mate! Giddy up! Rightio, well, let's plate it up. Okay, well, first, I've got the toast here. It's nicely toasted now. Better add some butter to that, because butter! Whack some of that on. And then onto that, I'll put my beautifully cooked egg. Get the sausages. Got the hash brown. The tomatoes. And how about we make some space for the bacon? And there you have it, a breakfast cooked almost entirely in the air fryer. Well, let's see how these things turned out. The snags? Looking crispy. The hash brown? Nice and crunchy. The bacon? What can I say? The tomato, looking good. So good. And of course the egg on toast. What more do you want? So there you go, the air fryer can do quite a lot of things. Even make breakfast. What else can you make in your air fryer that I don't know about? Leave it in the comments down below. If you like this video, remember to show it some thumb and love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's